GC Foster College's Garfield Gordon recorded back-to-back road race victories when he upstaged his informed teammate and former champion Shane Archibald to land Sunday's fourth staging of the GC Foster 5K in Angels, Spanish Town. Gordon, who won the Michael Pump It Up 5K last weekend, returned 14 minutes and 29 seconds for the distance to improve on his second place finish from last year, fending off a determined challenge from Archibald, who took the runner-up spot in 14 minutes 41 seconds, and Daniel Glave, who completed a GC Foster sweep of the top three places in a time of 15 minutes and 15 seconds.
Archibald, at the start, I want to go away, leave him, but he was right behind me for the whole time until the last 20 meters. That's where he started to fall back and I started to push away.
Meanwhile, Samantha Price of Homo Technical secured the female title in 17 minutes and 51 seconds to make it 3 wins from as many road races this season. Serena Douglas of St. Catherine High was next in 18 minutes and 27 seconds, and Nikisha Henry of St. Jago third in 18 minutes and 36 seconds.
It was a little bit challenging finishing. I had listened to my coach, he said swing, so I swing straight to the finishing line.
Minister of Health Dr. Christopher Tufton, who was among the 432 runners and walkers who participated, lauded the work of GC Foster College for its contribution towards the best practices in sports nutrition and health education.
Well, this is what it's all about. It's really about behavior and culture, and the extent to which you engage young people early in their lives is the extent to which you get them growing up and making it a norm. And part of the challenge we have in the schools is the obesity issues. We really ought to tackle the issue from here where we can change behavior, and that's what we're working on. And GC Foster is a critical part of that.